r23 regulation, jntuk Canada, second btech, first semester regular examinations, November 2024. Set number 1, subject electrical circuit analysis 2, branch AAA. Part A లో 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగిందండి. What is a 3-phase circuit? What is the power formula for the 3-phase system? State the 2 ways in which phases of 3-phase supply can be interconnected to reduce the number of conductors used compared with 3 single-phase systems. Define time constant, write its significance. Find Laplace transform of f of t, that is equal cos 2t plus e power minus 3t, comma t greater than 0. Give expressions for symmetry and reciprocity in case of transmission parameters. Why Z parameters are known as open circuit parameters? Where are Fourier series used? What is the difference between a sinusoid waveform and a non-sinusoid waveform? Draw the schematic of a second order high pass filter. What are the characteristics of low pass filters? Part B, 10 marks questions. Second law A1, draw phasor diagram of currents for a balanced delta connected supply system and establish relation between line current and phase current. Second one, a 400 volts 3-phase supply feeds an unbalanced 3-wire star connected load. The branch impedance of the load are ZR, that is equal 4 plus J8 ohms. ZY is equal 3 plus J4 ohms. ZB is equal 15 plus J220 ohms. Find the line current and voltage cross each phase impedance. Assume the RYB phase sequence. B లో 1 అండి. The 2 wattmeter method produce watt reading P1 is equal 1600 watts and P2 is equal 2500 watts when connected a delta connected load. If the line voltage is 220 volts, calculate per phase average power, per phase reactive power, phase impedance. A balanced 3-phase load of 2 plus J10 ohms for phase is connected in delta cross 440 volts 3-phase supply. Determine line current, phase current and total active power. Also draw the phasor diagram. యూనిట్ 2 నుంచి సాల్వ్ చేయండి. 1. Determine the transient and steady state current through a series RC circuit when it is connected in a sinusoidal voltage source. A series RC circuit is excited by a pulse of amplitude 10 volts and duration 2 seconds. Compute voltage across capacitor. Assume R is equal 5 ohms, C is equal 5F and Z initial charge on the capacitor. B. For given figure, the switch is closed at T is equal 0. Determine the equation I1 and VL. IL and VL. Derive the expressions for transient response in series RL circuit for AC excitation. Obtain the solution using Laplace transform. యూనిట్ 3 నుంచి 4th వేయండి. Find Y and Z parameters of the network shown. Second one, for the two-port network given below, determine ABCD and hybrid parameters. B. Derive the ABCD parameters for the network shown in below figure as cascade connected up to identical networks. Determine H parameters of a two-port network whose Z parameters are Z11 is equal, Z22 is equal 6 ohms and Z12 is equal, Z21 is equal 4 ohms. Unit 4 నుంచి ఉన్నటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ అండి. 5లో ఏ derive the expressions for average power of complex wave which is expressed in terms of Fourier series. Determine the trigonometric form of Fourier series in the following wave form. P. Analyze the exponential Fourier series with relevant equations. Find the Fourier series of the square wave shown in the figure below figure. Plot the amplitude and phase spectra. Unit 5 నుంచి 6లో ఏ with a neat diagram explain the band reject filter, derive the expressions for output voltage, draw the first order band pass filter using op-amp and explain its working. Below 1 and design a first order high pass filter with a cutoff frequency of 1.5 kHz and a pass band gain of 3. List out the different filters and sketch the frequency response of them.